So hello guys, I'm Suresh Parzane and I welcome you in my YouTube channel Dnyandeep Tutorials. So guys, in today's section we are learning about the best trick, which is a table trick. So guys, I will ask you a question. How much your table is bad? 20, 25, maximum it will be 30. Okay. So guys, I will tell you a table trick which can be you can write the table by 99. How much? 99. So guys, it's a type of a magical trick. So guys, let's start this trick. Okay. So suppose guys, if anyone told you that write the table of suppose 96. So what we will do? You will do 96 multiply 1 will be 96. 96 multiply by 2, 6 to the 12 and carry 19. You will do like this. Okay. So guys, but what I will do? I will tell you a trick. Okay. So guys, I will just explain. First, take here 9 and second take here 6. Okay. So write the table of 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 7 is 63, 9 8 is 72, 9 9 is 81, 9 10 is 90. Okay guys. So write the table of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 is 60. Okay, so write this number. 96, 96. Write the unit place number. Okay, 2. Okay, and just add it here. 18 plus 1, 19. Okay, then next write it 8. 1, 27. Okay, 28. Write this, you just write or as follows. Okay guys. So guys, we write here the table. So guys, you can also see that how very simple is this. So just guys, I will just rough it. So guys, I will take here one another number that will be 56. Okay guys, I will show you how to write its table. So write the table of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 4 is 20. Okay. Okay guys. 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30, 5 7 is 35, 5 8 is 40, 5 9 is 45, and last one 5 10 is 50. Okay guys. So just average. Okay. So write the table of 6. 6 1 6 12, 6 2 is 18. 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42, 6 8 is 48, 6 9 is 54, 6 10 is 60. Just have a line. Okay. So write 6 as it is and 5 means 56. Okay. So 2 unit place here, 10 plus 1 11. 8 unit place here, 15 plus 1 16. 4 unit place here, 20 plus 2 22. 0 unit place here, 25 plus 3 28. 6 unit place here, 30 plus 3 33. 2 unit place here, 35 plus 4 39. 8 unit place here, 40 plus 4 44. 4 unit place here, 45 plus 5 50. 0 unit place here, 50 plus 6 56. Guys, you can also see that how simple it is. But guys, this is a very simple and take less time by the multiplication. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching all the video, and if you like it, please press button, the like button, and subscribe also you our channel, because in next lecture we are learning about the next thing. So guys, till goodbye. Thank you.